Machine learning as a service refers to a cloud-based service that provides tools, frameworks, and infrastructure to enable individuals and organizations to develop, deploy, and manage machine learning models without the need to invest heavily in building and maintaining the underlying infrastructure. In essence, machine learning service makes machine learning capabilities accessible to a wider range of users by abstracting the complexities of model training, deployment, and scaling. Machine learning as service platforms typically offer a range of services, which may include data pre-processing. Machine learning often provides tools for data cleaning, transformation, and feature engineering to prepare the data for model training. Model training. These platforms offer pre-built algorithms and frameworks that allow users to train machine learning models on their data. Users can select algorithms, tune hyperparameters, and initiate the training process. Model deployment. After training, machine learning facilitates the deployment of models as APIs or services that can be accessed by applications or other services. Scaling and performance. Machine learning providers manage the underlying infrastructure to ensure that models can handle varying levels of workload and data. Monitoring and management. Machine learning platforms may offer tools to monitor model performance, track metrics, and manage the life cycle of deployed models. Integration. Machine learning services can often be integrated with other cloud services, databases, and applications, making it easier to incorporate machine learning capabilities into existing workflows. Cost flexibility. Machine learning typically follows a pay-as-you-go pricing model, allowing users to scale resources up or down based on their needs, which can be more cost-effective than setting up and maintaining dedicated hardware. Popular cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, and IBM Cloud offer solutions that cater to different user needs. These services democratize access to machine learning by abstracting the technical complexities and reducing the entry barrier for organizations and individuals looking to leverage machine learning capabilities without being experts in the field. Customization. Machine learning platforms often allow users to customize their models and workflows based on their specific use cases. This can range from selecting different algorithms and architectures to fine-tuning hyperparameters for optimal performance. Accessibility. Machine learning opens up machine learning to a broader audience, including those who might not have extensive expertise in data science or machine learning. This democratization of technology encourages innovation across various domains. Rapid development. Machine learning accelerates the development process by providing ready-to-use tools and resources. This is especially valuable for projects with tight timelines, as it reduces the time needed for setting up infrastructure and coding from scratch. Focus on core competencies. By outsourcing the technical complexities of managing infrastructure, organizations can focus more on developing meaningful machine learning solutions that address their specific business challenges. Community and support. Machine learning platforms often come with supportive communities, tutorials, documentation, and customer support. This can be immensely helpful for users looking to troubleshoot issues, learn best practices, and stay updated with the latest advancements. Security and compliance. Reputable machine learning providers implement security measures to protect data and models. They also often provide compliance certifications, helping organizations meet industry standards and regulations. Experimentation. Machine learning allows users to quickly experiment with different models and approaches without committing significant resources upfront. This enables data scientists to iterate through ideas and find the most effective solutions. AI services. In addition to core machine learning capabilities, many machine learning platforms offer related artificial intelligence services such as natural language processing, NLP, computer vision, and recommendation systems. This widens the scope of applications that can benefit from AI. Scalability. Machine learning providers offer the ability to scale resources up or down based on demand. This is particularly useful when dealing with varying workloads, ensuring that applications can handle spikes in traffic without performance degradation. In summary, machine learning as a service. Machine learning, empowers individuals and organizations to harness the power of machine learning without the need for extensive technical expertise or significant upfront investments. By providing a suite of tools and services for data pre-processing, model training, deployment, and management, machine learning platforms streamline the process of developing and operationalizing machine learning models, fostering innovation, and driving practical applications across diverse industries. Predictive insights. Machine learning can provide valuable predictive insights by analyzing historical data to make informed predictions about future trends, behaviors, or outcomes. This can guide decision-making processes and aid in strategic planning. Cost efficiency. Machine learning eliminates the need for organizations to invest in specialized hardware, software licenses, and the ongoing maintenance of infrastructure. This can result in cost savings, especially for smaller businesses or projects with limited resources. Global accessibility. Since machine learning is cloud-based, it offers global accessibility. Users can access their models and data from anywhere with an internet connection, facilitating collaboration among teams located in different regions. Reduced learning curve. Machine learning platforms often provide user-friendly interfaces and intuitive workflows, which can help users quickly become proficient in utilizing machine learning tools and techniques. Proof of concept. Machine learning is an excellent option for creating proof of concept models. It allows organizations to validate their ideas before committing to a full-scale development effort, saving time and resources. Real-time processing. Some machine learning platforms support real-time processing, enabling applications to make instantaneous predictions or decisions based on incoming data streams. Continuous improvement. Machine learning providers continually update their services with new features, improved algorithms, and bug fixes. This ensures that users can benefit from the latest advancements in the field without having to manage these updates themselves. Remote collaboration. Machine learning encourages collaboration among remote teams by providing a centralized environment where data scientists, developers, and domain experts can collaborate on machine learning projects seamlessly. Resource allocation. With machine learning, organizations can allocate their human resources more effectively. Instead of spending time on infrastructure setup, teams can focus on refining models, optimizing performance, and extracting insights from data. Ethical considerations. Reputable machine learning providers often incorporate ethical considerations into their services, helping users implement responsible AI practices and adhere to guidelines for data privacy and fairness. Vertical-specific solutions. Some machine learning platforms offer industry-specific solutions tailored to the unique needs of particular sectors, such as healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and marketing. Innovation enabler. Machine learning democratizes innovation by allowing startups, researchers, and entrepreneurs to experiment with cutting-edge technologies without significant financial barriers. In conclusion, machine learning as a service, machine learning, has transformed the way businesses and individuals approach machine learning. By providing an array of tools, resources, and services, machine learning platforms simplify the development and deployment of machine learning models, making this powerful technology accessible to a wide range of users. From accelerating development cycles to enabling real-time processing, machine learning continues to drive innovation and foster practical applications across industries, ultimately shaping the future of artificial intelligence.